In this demonstration, we're going to take a look at how to use the pop-out highlight feature to add more dimension and some visual interest to our View-It project. So right now we're looking at a slide that contains a slide background image. On this particular slide, I'm going to go ahead and increase its duration from the 1 second it has now to just about 5 seconds. That's just for this example here. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and say at the around the half-second mark, I'm going to switch to time select mode, pop in my playhead over here, and then I'm going to come over here to the object toolbar, and I'm going to go ahead and use the tool for a pop-out highlight. It's going to go ahead and insert it where I had the playhead, and what I want it to do is first have it pop out just this area here. And I'm going to let it go, and you'll notice it highlights that area. I have the ability to set more options here in the properties if I want. I'm just going to keep everything set as it is. And then I can go ahead and have some options for the effects properties. I like what's set, so I'll just keep these here. I don't need to apply a shadow, and I'm going to go ahead and leave the style applied. Those are those two options there. So right now it's going to start at about half second. Go for this amount of time, and then it's going to go ahead and finish up right around 3.5 seconds. If I want to increase it, I can go ahead and increase it, maybe have it come out to about 5 seconds. Now, the next thing I want to do is show not only the ability to have this pop out here, but maybe as it plays along the timeline, I want to go ahead and have it pop out somewhere else. So for example, let's go ahead and just zoom out a little bit on this slide. Maybe I want it to actually bring up the first set of information for the first option for the pop out. So I'm going to go ahead and click off of this, and then maybe around 1.5 seconds, while this part still popped out, I want to go ahead and have it also pop out a subsection, maybe this right here. And we'll go ahead and have that set and then have it disappear right before this part goes back in. So I'll have the main pop-out stay displayed when a little pop-out down here comes in too. So let's go ahead and see how this plays back by scrubbing the timeline. Now we're only zoomed in at 75%, but we'll go ahead and scrub it anyway just so you can see as we're scrubbing the timeline how this will view back. Okay, get an idea. So I'm going to put the playhead near the beginning and watch what happens as I draw this around. The top area pops out, and then you've got your sub pop out, and then as we go along, that area pops back in, and then so does the top one. So this gives you an idea of how you can use pop outs on your slides instead of maybe bullet points or things like that for a different visual dynamic in your View-It project. And again, it's just using pop-out highlights. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions on this particular topic or any others while working with Qarbon's products and services, please visit us online at www.qarbon.com. And thanks for stopping by.